Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of our travel to Kerala from Mumbai. So as you know, we stopped over in Malpe, Mangalore, and we have just come out to get some food. And of course, there is a lockdown, weekend lockdown, so everything is closed here. So we went and asked a police guy who was sitting at the checking post, the check post. And he was so sweet. We asked him like everything is closed and we have traveled all the way, so if you could help us know if anything is like open or where we can find food. He was so sweet. He gave us his food. He had eaten and he had some extra food with him which he had carried, and he was like, y'all won't find anything, so just take the food. And I put a small clip in between. And
one meal was there. He's telling divide, and there's a fish fry,
fish curry. I don't know from where. He was like such an angel. He gave us the food and we gave him some mangoes in return.
So the moral of the story is that not all the police people are bad. There are really good people also who shared his food with us during the bad times. He didn't have food for himself for night. He shared with us. So very heart touching though. Angel has got a good time to run. Empty beach.
There are a few people sitting around with, of course, they are maintaining social distance.
Yeah, even if they're sitting, you can see they're maintaining distance. Yeah.
Hi guys, so it's 7 in the morning and we are all set to leave from Malpe, that would be to Kerala, and it's a 14 hours drive, so we shall reach by night, and let's see how it goes on. So we just stopped by to eat some breakfast, and Yasubin is eating idli sambar. It's doggo here. It's getting angry at Angel. So now we have entered Kerala, and you can see the difference in the road. It's narrow single way highway, and this is Kasaragod north. So we are going from North Kerala to South Kerala. So this is the entrance for Bekal Fort, and Bekal Fort is one of the largest fort in Kerala, which is spreading over 40 acres, and it is situated in Kasaragod, and it was closed due to, of course, COVID reason, and all we could do was go to the temple, which the temple is also quite famous, and there's also a mosque which is inside. So they had closed the other gate. The main gate is open, of course, for the temple, but the other gate was closed, where you can actually go inside and see the whole of the fort, and you can also see the beach in front, the sea view. So Bekal Fort was built by Shivappa Nayaka in 1650 AD, which later fell into the hands of the Mysore kings. It was a very important military station for Tipu Sultan when he led a military expedition to capture the Malabar. And to travel to Bekal Fort, you can either travel from Mangalore or Calicut. So this is what we were talking about when you enter Kerala, especially from North Kerala. The national highway is like you pass through all the city and town. So it's not like a proper highway that what we showed you in our when we were traveling from Maharashtra to Karnataka. Hence, it's a bit time consuming. We have now entered Mahi, which is Puducherry, but falls in the state of Kerala. So basically, you're crossing this bridge, and this is Puducherry. You can see PY. All the cars are having PY registration. So this is just a very small part. So you can see it's written "Welcome to Mahi" here. Yeah. So it's a union territory. So you have alcohol. This place is filled with alcohol shops. So it's like quite cheap here.
We had just stopped in Mahi, that's a union territory, to fill up the diesel. It's 81 rupees per liter, much cheaper. I mean, around 10 rupees difference from the other state. We always do full tank from Mahi.
So we have now entered Calicut, which is known as Kozhikode in Malayalam, and it is in the north part of Kerala, and it's very famous for its Calicut halwa and biryani. So we are just taking a 5-minute break, giving car some rest, and Angel also needs some walking, and we're just gonna have some coffee. And how many hours more left?
5.5 hours.
Almost 5.5 hours left to reach Subin's place. So once you reach Thrissur and connect to the highway, the roads are amazing. So we have finally made it home, and it is 10:30 in the night, and this is Shadow, our Rajapalayam breed. She's 4 years old, so and she's very close to Subin, so super excited to meet her. And there's mom and dad out there. So guys, we have finally reached home, as I've already shown before, and we're ending this video now over here, and we're just going to go and sort out our stuff, get freshen up, and then we will see you in our next video, and let's see what we do next. So until then, good night, take care, and ciao.